Hi guys, Dan's Dollars here. A very good evening to you all. So I have put together a 20 question coin quiz. Little bit of a tongue twister, that one. We have got 4 sections: close-up coins around the world, UK coin mintage figures, and we will finish up with general knowledge. We're going to go through all of the video once, and then it will be played again without me probably irritating you in the background as you are trying to think. So the first 5 are close-up coins. You are going to see close-ups of 5 commemorative 50p coins, all from UK circulation. The first one is on the screen now. Again, we'll go through all 5 of them together. The second category, from around the world, you are going to see 5 pictures of coins from all around the world. All you need to do is try and figure out which country they are from. Moving on to number 3, you will see 5 coins from UK circulation. 4 of them are 50p coins, and 1 of them is the United Kingdom £2 coin. Definitely testing you on those. How many of each of those coins were released for UK circulation? And then we will finish off with 5 questions of general knowledge. Some of them a little bit more difficult than others. If you don't think you really know many of them, it isn't a test. We're not back at school. Don't worry if you only get 1 or 2 correct. Get all of your answers in the comment section below. I do think though, if you get any more than 7 of these correct, you really have done well. I am trying to make some of them a little bit more difficult than others. Some people do get all of them correct. Some people are struggling to get them all right. So again, I am trying to make it fun and exciting for everyone. So if there are a few difficult ones in there, really don't worry about it. I'm sure your coin knowledge is fantastic. I really do hope that you enjoy this coin quiz. A little bit different. Haven't seen many quizzes really on YouTube, so I am trying to keep the variety of videos on the channel as wide as possible. So again, get all of your answers from 1 to 20 in the comment section below. If you don't feel like doing it this evening, or you feel like doing it in a few separate days, definitely do sit back and enjoy it. I am going to leave this open for 1 week, and then on Sunday, so it'll be 6 days really, on Sunday I'll go through all of the answers together and give some people a shout out as well if they have managed to get more than that 7 correct. I really do hope that you enjoy this coin quiz, and as always guys, thanks for watching.